Okay, we're at Wave Dancer, and it is July 26th. She's very heavily fouled. I showed you a little bit in the video. I've got her cleaned up, got a diver still working on the running gear. We'll check him out when we get back there, but just wanted to show you the water line. You do have areas where you're missing paint, like right here. That will literally be green in just a couple of days. I don't know, we'd use some hull spray to reduce the staining. That's not coming clean. This was all completely black up to here. I will show you underneath, but just because this will not stay clean looking for but just maybe a day or two. All right, got Dustin working on getting the propeller finished up, and we may want to increase the frequency of the cleaning because this took probably 2 to 3 times longer than a typical maintenance cleaning usually is taking us. All right, thank you for using DS Diving Service. Bye-bye.